Did you just sneeze? So is it COVID or the influenza? What do you mean you don't know? Come on, let's figure it out. Influenza or H3N2 cases are rising, and so is COVID-19. Both of them have overlapping symptoms.
Both of these are caused by viruses. H3N2, the variant, causes influenza, and COVID-19 causes COVID. The symptoms of both are pretty similar, and they have a lot of overlapping features, like both of them have fever, cough, cold, sore throat or throat pain, in some cases breathing difficulty or conjunctival congestion as well.
There are some differences though. It is important for you to identify it, as you will get the treatments accordingly.
What we have seen in COVID-19 is that the period of illness or sickness is a little shorter than that of H3N2. Usually people with COVID-19 would have fever for 3 to 4 days, and it would not be as high as we are seeing now in H3N2. And even the cough would subside relatively earlier, within 10 days, 10 to 12 days. But with H3N2, what we are seeing is fever is usually high grade, 103, 104 in a lot of children. And even once the fever subsides after 7 to 8 days, the cough persists for sometimes even 2 weeks or sometimes even 3 weeks in certain individuals.
COVID-19 is more contagious and spreads fast. On the other hand, H3N2 spreads occasionally, usually during the change of season. Both are spread through cough droplets. But there is a difference in the time of transmission.
Both of the mechanisms of spread of COVID-19 and H3N2 are also similar. They spread through droplet infection, through sneezing and coughing by the infected person if you're around them.
But how will you actually know what you have? There's only one way: take the test. An advanced polymerase chain reaction test or PCR test can diagnose the two viruses, but it is very expensive.
If you are having cough that is persistent for more than 10-12 days, if there is high-grade fever with cold and sore throat which is lasting for more than a week, and if you are having some breathing difficulty associated with that, you may get yourself tested by the various PCR tests that are there.
For more informative videos like this, keep watching India Today News Mo.